So now I would like to call our chief guest Shivani ma'am to express her views.
It has rightly said, agriculture is the backbone of the country. Good morning to everyone, respected Vandile sir, chief guest and all my dear friends. As we all know, we are gathered here to celebrate Farmers' Day. So, one question arises in my mind. In the old era, why the farmer used to be rich, but in this era, why the farmer are becoming poor day by day? What are the reasons behind it? So first, lack of knowledge and experience. Our farmers of this generation are not having the proper knowledge about the farming. They don't have proper knowledge about the crops, fertilizer and about the soil, how to nourish the soil, how to grow crops properly. They don't have experience because they don't watch anyone doing farming. They don't take experience from the experienced farmer. Then comes the lack of automation. Our farmers are not accepting the automation properly. They don't want to use new technology earlier. They use mobile. They don't see useful things in the mobile. Like example, the AI is used by the hackers. AI means artificial intelligence. If the farmers use artificial intelligence properly, he can get profit from it. He can grow so many things with the help of it, because he will get to know about the climatic condition which he is facing day by day. Because of the cutting down of lots of trees, there is global warming is happening. Because of that, pollution is happening. Because of that, the climatic condition are changing. In this is the month of June, but there is not a rain. There is a sunny days. So that's why I think every farmer should accept the new technology earlier. If he accept the new technology properly, like a tractor for harvesting process, if he accept machine for the harvesting process, he can make less use of the labors. He don't have to waste so much money on the labor wages. Then comes the market linkage. The middleman is the harmful thing in the market. As like a tobacco is harmful for us, but the farmer don't throw them, because farmer is having profit over it. That's why farmer is not banning tobacco company like that. If farmer replace the middleman from his market linkage, he can directly connect to the customer, and the customer will get directly good product from the farmer, and the farmer will be always profitable over it. Then comes the leadership. So some may question why the leadership come here. So if we want to become a rich, or if someone want to become a financially independent or richer, he must know the leadership quality. He must have the leadership quality, so that he can lead the people, or he can get work done from the people. Here the farmer lagged, because farmer don't have the leadership quality. He don't have that much power that he can manage the workers. Because of that, in the harvesting time, the worker wages are increases. Due to that, in that harvesting time, the product are not collected earlier, and because of the climatic condition, the product get damaged. Then comes the alternative source of income. Every farmer should have the alternate source of the income. Like if he is doing farming for 6 months, then he must do something in another 6 months, like small business, or connect with the industry, or do some part-time job, so that he can financially be stable. Then comes the investment. Our farmers don't know about the investment. What he do? He don't put separate investment things. If you take more risk, you can be more profitable. If you take less risk, you will be less profitable. It is like a business only. Then comes the awareness about the government policies. So many farmers are not aware about the government policy. So I think government should know the farmer should go through the mobile apps. He can use that. From that, he will get to know about the policies also. He can use that policy for their children, for their studies. Here I conclude my speech. Thank you. Agriculture is not a word. वो लाइफ है किसान की. एग्रीकल्चर इज़ नॉट अ वर्ड, वो लाइफ है किसान की. एग्रीकल्चर इज़ नॉट अ डिग्री, वो पहचान है किसान की. एग्रीकल्चर इज़ नॉट अ डिग्री, वो पहचान है किसान की. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Shivani ma'am, for your knowledgeable speech.